Oh, 20 bucks. Not bad. This is cool. And look at that. Look at that. Zapdos. Come on, man. Probably would have grabbed this if this wasn't so damaged. Bootleg Power Rangers for 6 bucks. Two brothers right there. Alright YouTube, you know who I am. I am Milo Martin. This is Nothing Like Nostalgia, your favorite toy tuber, stopping at Ross. There's a DD's. I'm doing that off camera. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Let's go hunting. Alright, so at the beginning of the toy aisle. And look at that. Look at that. Zapdos. Come on, man. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, definitely grab a Zapdos. 14 bucks, 15. Sounds like a deal to me. Let's see what else we got. Again, this is one I typically don't come to. But now all I got left is Articuno. That's it. From the Legendary Birds. Let's see what else we got here. Two brothers right there. There we go. I still need Raph and Donnie. Gotta dig in through here. Still got Naruto there. Tons of anime. And we're all kind of starting early, man. Early. Oh, Fortnite right here. Agent Jones. Scorponok, $7.99. Bumblebee, I'm pretty sure that's $7.99 too. Put him down. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, $7.99 right there. Alright, got my Zapdos. See what else we got here. Sonic plushies. Coco back there. Not seeing anything else. That Batman tumbler there. Might grab that Scorponok as well. Alright, let's see what they got over here. Still got some more Agent Jones. The small Krusty, the 2.5 inch. Fortnite. Seth Rollins. Got that Legacy back there, the one that's a cop. Got the Best Action, the brothers. Oh, there's a Clamp Champ right there. And that's about it here. Another Seth Rollins. Oh, this is down to $3.99. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, Crash Bandicoot right there. Caveman. It's a little ripped. And I think this one's just for the kiddos, the little girlies and boys. Tons of Bobby. Tons of that. Rainbow Bright. That's interesting. Yep, and I think that's it here. Not seeing much of anything here. And look at that. Iron Fist for $4. Alright, let's check up front. Check this out, what we got up front. Grabbing him as well. Some pops up here. And an itty bitty over there. Another Disney itty bitty. There's a lot of people online, so I have to grab it and keep on going. I don't want to lose my spot. It's Saturday and it's busy. But, yep, there we go. There we go. Alright, YouTube, we got Ollie's. Come on, man. I always do this, man.
Shut up. Oh, no.
Because you know what? Ollie's is across the street over here. It's literally an Ollie's right there. You see the sign? Let me zoom in. There you go. I just saw Ollie's. We at Ross number 2, man. God dog it. Keep on messing up. Anyways, that's how much I go toy hunting, guys. That's how much I go toy hunting. Nonetheless, let's go. Let's check it out. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see if we can find some goodies here. This one is a smaller one. Smaller toy section, I guess. Got the brothers there. Look at this. $2. 15 for that still. Let's see what else we got. See if we can find our last bird here, Articuno. I don't know if they're popping up at Ross though. So let's see. What's a good guy? Chucky. Oh, I just saw something. this over here with this. They look alike. No, nothing down there. I really want to find, along with Articuno, the Batmobile. However, Val Kilmer. What was that? Oh. 20 or 22 this one was. Oh, 20. I'll wait till these go down to. Oh, there's a Luigi back there. $6.99. I got the Ice Luigi. Yeah. See, Pokemon Greninjas. Jesus Christ. Look at all the, those are all Greninjas, 7 Greninjas there. Let's see what we got here, $3, okay. The Red Ranger, Spider-Gwen, Halo RC. How much is this? Oh, $20. Not bad. $20 for that. Barbie's 20. Let's see what else we got. Nothing here. Nope. Nope. I think that's it for this one. Maybe we can check up front. Other than that, that's it. Let's check up front. Just wanted to show these off. Sleeping Pikachu here. They have these at Target for $50. So, and there's 2 of them here. So, and the Score Bunnies as well. Hermit, Hello Kitty. I think it's the same as this. How to Train a Dragon, maybe. I think so. This is a Famu, Famu. Okay, let's see what else I got. All right, this is all we got up front. I might get this Chilai figure, $6. Probably will. I enjoyed the movie and I enjoyed her role. She was dope. Saw this at the last one, $4. And this one as well. Then we got this guy from the Skeleton Crew, John the Nowwood. And that's it for this one. Surprise, surprise. Stopping by another DD's discount. It's gonna be an extra bonus content. So let's go, let's see what we got. All right, so we'll start at the beginning of the aisle here. This is cool. Is this a lunchbox? Just a regular lunchbox? That's dope. $6 for that. That is a dope lunchbox. I rock with it. I definitely rock with that for sure. That is dope. That is tempting. I might get this for myself.
There's something very important I forgot to tell you.
That is dope. Let's see. I have to go to some other DDs in the city. I just gotta look them up to see where they're at. I only know of 2 locally. Well, I'm sure there's a lot here. I'm in the Tampa Bay area, so I'm sure there's a lot more. Man, they got tons of these Batman. There's another one right here. Got this here. $8, not so much. $4 for that. Let's see what else we got. Oh, Minion lunchboxes. That's crazy. It's interesting. They got some good stuff. Good lunchboxes. Well, there's a different one right here. I have no idea what I'm doing. And then I'm sorry for what I said when I was hungry. That is funny. Well, let's see what else we got. Well, looks like they took everything out of here. There was shelves here. There's not anymore. Let's see if we can find what PV at Kotaku found. That whole wave set. The Dark Side wave set. It looks 8-bit-ish. It's $8 a piece, so about $36, $37 for the wave set. Not seeing anything. Anything yet? No Batmobile either. That'd be great if I could find that Batmobile. Vegeta. Nope, nothing here. Nothing at the bottom. Sorry, there's kids and a lot of people here. So I'm gonna try my best. Talk louder. Not breathe as hard on the when the phone comes close to me. Another tin box. Jurassic Park. Yeah, they're making a lot of stuff. I mean, the lunch boxes are pretty small. You can't really fit anything. I think these are more tins for like pencils and pens and markers and crayons, stuff for the kiddos. Let's see what else. What is this? They had this at Ross, I remember, like a month or two ago. Nope, not seeing anything else. Whoa, this is huge. Bootleg Power Rangers for $6. Yo, this is crazy. This is big, man. Wow. Protectors of the Universe and Beyond. The yellow, black, red, blue, and pink. Wow. 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 Okay. That is new. There's two of them here. For $6, that's crazy. They look like the Turbo Rangers and the helmets. All right, let's walk around, see if we can find anything else. This is all we have up front here. More Zapdos, 3 of them up here. So Zapdos are hidden stores. More Zapdos than Moltres that I'm seeing. Brainiac, and then Gertie from ET. And I believe that's about it up front here. Not seeing anything else. Oh, these, remember from last time. Those are dope. I would get these. I'll wait till they go to like $2. Oh, look at this. This one's cheap, $9. One of the cheapest I've seen. These are usually 10, between 10 and 15. All right, that's it for these guys. Wow, look at the beautiful sky. Nonetheless, this is the last and final stop. This will be the 4th stop in the video. I'm bringing you heat the last quarter. Straight heat toy hunt. So let's go. Let's see what we got. Let's continue with Ross. All right, so this is the last Ross toy section. Fugue and Leon? I don't know. I've only watched the first few episodes of Black Clover. That was like 2 years ago. I'll bring these back. $12. Pretty sure that's Nightwing. Yep. Let's see what else we got. Tons of Grandistas coming in. Gohan, Bendy. How much is this? Like 8, 7? No, there's really no price on this one. Yeah, no price on that. Let me double check before I look like an idiot. No price. Okay. Tons of Minecraft are coming in. $8. Is that Meryl? No. I thought that was Meryl from Pokemon. Never have as much here. Still got the whole other side, so we'll see. Tons of Chainsaw Man as of recently. Trying to back up to see if I'm missing anything. There you go. Alright, let's see what else we got. Okay. Got the Brothers. $2.99 for these. Paz Vizsla and Sabine Wren back there. The Brothers. Tons of Chris Jericho here. 1, 2, 3 Chris Jerichos. Pickleball paddle set. All the bendies are $8.99. Okay, it's $4. Alright, let's see here. Not much of anything here. Who's back here? Oh, just Greninjas. No Articuno. I need to find Articuno. He's the last bird out of the 3 legendary birds. That's it here. Oh no, there's one more aisle. Let me get to the last aisle. It's probably not gonna be much of nothing here. Oh, Boba Fett. I might scoop that up. Let me see. Not seeing anything. Bluey. Got a lot of RC cars this year. Black Clover pop back there. All right, that's it. Let's check up front. These have been popping up. I probably would have grabbed this if this wasn't so damaged. It's pretty damaged. Power Girl, Aquaman, and Legato. This one here is still $3.50. Okay. And some Grandistas. And I think that's about it up front. Yeah, definitely would have grabbed this if it wasn't. Limited to 15,000 as well. Same thing as Magneto. Walked out with Boba Fett and Sabine Rand. The boy is parched, so I needed to grab some water. Nonetheless, man, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let me know what you want to see next. Let me know what you enjoyed. Leave your thoughts in the comments. And like always, stay nostalgic. Later.